Looking for a break? These guys make their own.
Team is Hugh and the Hustlers.
Yeah, that's us.
We're world champions.
We won the APA Masters World Championship.
For Dave, for Bobby, for Phil. It's been a solid past few weeks, and stripes too. At home base inside Yale Billiards in Wallingford, they've just returned from Las Vegas, where along with teammate Robert, the amateur foursome showed that they were true ballers. Both 8-ballers and 9-ballers. Meet the APA, the American Pool Players Association, Masters champs.
We won first round, lost the second round, and then we won 9 straight matches to win the finals.
We were very close to not going, and everything changed last minute. We decided to go, and then we come back champs.
We won $10,000 as a team, which was pretty awesome.
It is uncharted territory for a Connecticut men's team to come back with a title like this.
APA is the largest run pool league in the country. There's thousands of teams that make it to Vegas, and I don't know how many thousands in the United States, but to win the Masters is phenomenal.
With their own style of English. For now, the team's plan is to keep talking the talk and chalking the chalk.
Really, it's just doing something that no one's done in Connecticut before. I think that makes it a little special.
Hey, listen, it's hard to get there. Oh, 9-ball! We got to win our way to Vegas next year and defend our title.
In Wallingford,
Moneyball.
Jim Altman, Fox 61 News.
Oh, really?